pops, guys? NateVlog here. Welcome back to the channel, Groovy Vibes. So today we're gonna try ourselves some edamame. Is that how you pronounce it? Edamame? Edamame? Yeah. So this is from the store Nissui in Delamo Mall. And yeah, we saw this on sale for like $1.20, yeah, something around like really good price. And I was like, wow, edamame, I love this stuff. This is extremely healthy. So, but the only problem is that it's in Japanese. Everything's in Japanese here. How do you expect to make this? So all morning long I was trying to watch videos on how to make this, like how to heat it up, right? Because this is hella frozen, all right? Frozen. So yeah, let's get to the kitchen. I think I have an idea. We'll see. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Come on, vámonos. Okay, so there it is. This is what it looks like. All in Japanese. What the hell? All right, so yeah, salted soybean snack. Yeah. All right, I'm hungry, so let's figure this out. Okay, so I think we're supposed to boil some water, so let that go on. Hold on, you know the routine. We gotta sit here and wait. Hold on, waiting. Okay, that's ready to go. So let's open this up. We got ourselves the kiddie bowl. Hopefully this fits all. Oh shit. Oh, that didn't work out. Alright, we're just gonna have to use a different one. There we go, this bowl. Okay, take our hot boiling water, pour it all over. There we go. Cover this so it's steaming. We set our timer for 1:30. All right, steaming, waiting, steaming and waiting. Ooh, I hate that sound. Oh God. Okay, there we go. Take this off. Move this. Ooh, take our strainer. You see our strainer? Pour it in. Yeah. Nice. And then just put it back in. Okay. Step our salt. There we go. Good to go. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so here we go. Edamame. This is one of my favorite things to eat at the Japanese restaurant. They give you just a little portion. I'm just like, they're just so addicting. And they're extremely healthy, especially for my high cholesterol. And look at that, we got all this. So here we go, let's try it out. Oh, and we got our kiddie bowl for the waist. See, pop them in your mouth. There. Wow, so good. Like I said, like they're so addicting. You just keep going. And by the time that your food gets out, you're full from this. No, but like they don't really give you a lot. But when I was in Thailand, we went to this Japanese barbecue, like like Korean barbecue, but it's Japanese barbecue, and they had all you can eat of these. There was my chance to eat as many as I could. Wow. But hey, for $1-ish at that market, Nissui, yeah, I picked up a whole bunch because so you just pop them in your mouth. I'm gonna eat this whole thing, aren't I? premium edamame. Almost got away. Wow. They usually come in 3 or 2. So yummy. So now that we found ourselves a good healthy snack that I could eat all the time, I'm telling you, this cholesterol is going to get a lot better. Wow. The benefits of this is just incredible. No wonder the Japanese live up to like over 100, right? Because they eat such good stuff. Healthy. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, there you go. You get the idea. So there we go, on the goal of becoming healthy in 2025, alright? I should be so healthy, right? I should be so healthy. What's going on? I'm so young. Well, now I am. Alright, well. Keep popping in your mouth. There you go, that's how it's done. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys like and subscribe all the way. Don't forget to hit up the PayPal, the Venmo, description down below. That's where you can find it if you want to support NateVlog and the legendary reviews, adventure, everything. Oh, I do it all, trust me. There we go. Alright. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm gonna finish these while editing. Yeah. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye.